Hey, History 101. How's it going? Hello again. Yeah, I know the hat looks ridiculous, but that's what happens when you don't take care of your skin when you're young. So, while you're young and healthy, take precautions. SPF 50, moisturize, moisturize, moisturize. Otherwise, you end up having to worry about too much sun if you're lucky enough to live a long time like I have. Anyway, trying to get ready for week number 3 of our course beginning February 9th. And what we're talking about this week is Spanish conquest, really the moment before we begin talking about English conquest of the New World. So we're basically in the early 1500s for week number 3. And we're talking about 3 major sites of Spanish conquest early on. So Hispaniola, which is an island in the Caribbean. Today it's Haiti and the Dominican Republic. Then we're talking about central Mexico and also Peru. So for our participation this week, what I'd like you to do is focus on the Spanish conquest of central Mexico. Now remember, the goal here is not to look this up, not to AI it, but just to tell us what you know right now. You don't have to look it up because we're really interested in your prior knowledge, what you're bringing into this class with you, because that is going to prepare you for learning new information. So here's the question I want you to ponder and record at least a 3-minute video about. What do you know about the Spanish conquest of the Mexica Empire? You know the Mexica better as the Aztecs. So here's the thing in particular, and maybe you can work your way through this. Tell us what you know if you've already heard the story, or if you haven't, try and imagine how it's possible that less than 1,000 Spanish soldiers conquered an empire of literally millions. How is this possible? It sounds ridiculous. Is it a fairy tale? Did this actually happen? If so, how can we explain it? That's what we're trying to focus on for the participation. How do we understand? How can we explain the Spanish conquest of Mexico?